Hello, my name is David and I'm the CEO of 3Dsimo. Here's our new product, the 3Dsimo Mini. It all started in 2013 with our first product, the original 3Dsimo. It's the very first multi-material 3D pen in the world. You can set the speed, temperature and also choose from the default material profiles. You can draw with a variety of materials including flex, fluorescence, laywood, transparent, thermochrome and decomposable materials and so on. But that wasn't enough for us. We've created a tool that would allow you to create anything you wish. The 3Dsimo Mini is a smaller and smarter version of the original 3Dsimo. It can also solder, burn and cut things, and you can operate it manually or through your smartphone. So don't be limited by materials, take full advantage of 3D drawing. Draw, fix and create new things. Each extension is equipped with an automatic detector, so you only need to insert and start to create. With the soldering nozzle, you can fix or create any electrical component. The tip can reach a maximum temperature of 490 degrees. Are you a creative person who likes original items? Using the extension for burning, you can decorate, for example, wooden spoons, a belt, wallet, or your leather shoes. At the same time, you can shape 3D models and printouts. If you're a model maker or handyman, you'll be interested in our extension for cutting plastics and foam materials. You can make a functional RC plane, a ship, a clock, or an amusing sponge for children. These 4 extensions are included in each package. Don't be limited by regular cable and start using our power pack. You can power your 3Dsimo Mini, mobile phone, MP3 and so on. And if you use our phone app, you can enjoy more fun with a 3Dsimo Mini. Thank you very much for your support.